कहता है लाइफ गो गई, तेरे नोटों की खुशबू से लाख गुना बेहतर। यहाँ तक आने के लिए भी मेरे नोट ही लगते हैं। तेरे सिक्कों की छन-छन से मेरे हवा की कीमत कम हो रही है बका।
पागल थे क्या जो तुम्हें बनने चढ़ गई तुम्हें? किसको चढ़ गई है? हाँ?
Well, I think the theme of the film is actually very universal and very straightforward. It is about relationships, and I think it's about endearing characters and friendship and the chemistry that goes on. And then it's about real life, where some of these relationships then get put to test, because as you grow up and as you mature, and as you have different crossroads in life, sometimes career, sometimes religion, sometimes family, sometimes money, financial, girlfriends, whatever it may be, conflicts arise. And how do you deal with those conflicts? And how are relationships really tested for longevity and for lifelong with such conflicts? I think what we've interestingly taken is two very real life situations that happened in the early 2000s in Gujarat and in India. One was a sort of what I would call a natural disaster in the earthquake, and the other one was a much more man-made challenge. But those were both areas of conflict that test the relationship. But overall, it was still a very strong relationship and friendship film.
पार्टी कब ज्वाइन कर रहा है?
मुन्ने पार्टी?
केम भाई, पॉलिटिक्स में क्या खराबी है? तू पंडित जी का बेटा है, ठान लिया तो आगे तक जाएगा।
छा गए तुम तो भी भाई। लगता है तू मेरी अकेडमी खुलवा के रहे।
You know, before I'd never adapted a book before, and this is my first attempt at it. So it's a very different the beast to handle. You know, you have an audience for the book, and so and when you write an original screenplay, it just comes out of you, and there are no preconceived expectations. You know, but this time around, you have material. You don't know what you want to keep, what you want to take out, and when you write a book, you have so much in it, and you have to figure out what you want to retain, what is the theme you would like to retain. You know, in a film, you've got to have one particular theme. You can't be generic. You know, and so it took me a while to crack the screenplay. You know, and pack it all in, and so yeah.
ये करके किसी और के सपने पूरे नहीं करने हैं मुझे। मुझे अपना धंधा जमाना है। तेरे बाप का गल्ला है। तूने हाथ किसे लगाया? पूछ के।
Primarily, the film is with these three boys, and they're very distinct to each other, and they're best friends in a small town. So in my head, at least, I was very clear about what the character should be like, and you needed the right chemistry between the three boys, you know. And we didn't want to cast stars in this because you'd lose. You know, stars come with a lot of baggage and their own personas and expectations from the audiences, and they don't make it as believable. You know, that realism comes when they just take you by surprise. And we went through a very, very heavy casting process, and we auditioned a lot of actors. But when we saw the three of them together, not only were they individually good actors, but there was something about them in their the way they responded to each other. They felt like really old friends, and hence we chose them.
फिर से हार मान के बैठ गए। एक कुछ हुआ नहीं कि आप सब छोड़ छाड़ के बैठ जाते हो। कम ऑन भाईलू।
देख, इस बार किसी और के लिए नहीं, अपने लिए कर। इस बार क्विट मत कर।
You know, especially the events are not only important, they're also very sensitive to the people of India and people of Gujarat, because even now the tension between the religious communities is still very dominant and prevalent, and it is always used by the political machinery to serve their own purposes, you know, to create vote banks. So one has to be careful of how you do it. At the same time, you don't want to be preachy. You know, you don't want to say this is right and this is wrong. Like the riots, for example, are a 12-year-old incident, but still it is being raked up and who did what. You know, as a filmmaker, I have to have my own perspective, and for me, it was not important anymore about who did what. What is important is that we have to move on from that and heal ourselves. You know, and I've tried to convey that in the film.
I think a lot of people who've gone through these events would be concerned about how they're depicted on screen, while still being sensitive to what happened and ensuring that the authenticity of that is maintained. And I think what we've tried not to do is to be judgmental in the film. That was not the idea. The idea was not really to point fingers or to lay blame at someone's doorstep. It was really to tell a story, a very human story, and not to get involved in the politics, in the religion of it, but much more about here's what happened and here's what these three characters might have gone through at that point of time. So we've tried to keep the film devoid of any of that, needless controversy.
अली पिच के दोनों साइड को क्या कहते हैं? अरे चलने अली सिंपल शेप. राइट हैंड बैटी के राइट साइड को ऑफ कहते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड को ऑन कहते हैं. ऑफ राइट, कवर, बैक फुट राइट.